Arsenal have lost their fourth League Cup final in a row, and Guardiola has gone on to create history by becoming the first ever manager to win 5 League Cups. Arsenal fans के लिए काफी humbling रहा ये League Cup. अगर हम बात करें ओवरऑल गेम की दोस्तों, तो फर्स्ट हाफ में it was more of a stalemate. 19-20 का ही फर्क था, और अगर if there was any team who was on top, it was Arsenal getting the more clear of the chances. Although they weren't the most clear of chances, but comparatively out of the two teams, I guess Arsenal had the better opportunities. But वहीं अगर हम second half की बात करें, Manchester City just showed their class. Second half के शुरुआत से Arsenal were put under pressure. Manchester City changed their tactics, changed a bit of their formation, got Haaland more freed up, and that just created so much pressure on Arsenal. And of course, the pressure led to Kepa fumbling the ball, and that led to the first Manchester City goal. From there on, तो एक तरह से game खत्म ही था. And City did make a statement that there is no change of the guard right now. City is still the top team in England on their given day. वहीं अगर हम दोस्तों tactically बात करें, I do feel Arteta did get a few things wrong. Selecting Kepa not being one of them. I really don't feel the selection of Kepa is what cost us the game yesterday. That one fumble that Kepa did, अगर हम उसे गेम से हटा भी देते हैं, as I said, Manchester City would still have dominated us. But at the same time, I believe taking Hincapie off and getting Calafiori on was more of a half-time change. First half के end में ही हमें दिखने लग गया था कि Hincapie जब से येलो कार्ड पे गए हैं, Semenyo had the better of him. Trossard को भी change कर देना चाहिए था, given the fact that he wasn't really performing that well yesterday. So these two changes should have come in the half-time rather than the 65th or the 66th minute whenever they actually came. क्योंकि जब तक ये changes हम कर पाए, I believe the game was already out of our hand. As an Arsenal fan, was last night disappointing? Was it heavy? Definitely yes. It was one of the most disappointing nights in quite some time. But looking at the overall picture, is this one particular result devastating for Arsenal? I really don't think so. अगर हम bigger picture की बात करें, the League Cup is of course the least important of the 4 major trophies that are available in England. Not for a second saying that I wouldn't have wanted Arsenal to win it. Of course, you have to win it if you're in it. But if you lose it, it's not the end of the world. You're still 9 points ahead in the league, and that definitely has to be the main objective. As an Arsenal fan, अगर आपको start of the season ये बोला गया होता कि आप लीग कप फाइनल मैनचेस्टर सिटी से थोड़ा सा embarrassing तरीके से हार जाएंगे, but you will end up winning the league after 22 years, I guess blindly all Arsenal fans would have chosen the league.